Hello everyone, today we will connect a 300 amp distribution cabinet. In this electrical cabinet we plan to use copper bars to connect them CCBs together. First we will arrange the devices on the electrical panel, mark them to drill and screw the devices to be balanced. After drilling, we will fix the devices firmly. Next we will measure and cut the copper bar. And proceed to measure to drill holes on the copper bar. Then we need to use a press to bend the copper bar to the correct size. Proceed to wrap the heat shrink tubing and heat them, so that they adhere tightly to the copper rod and insulation. Next comes the connection part. We will remove all the screws on the MCCB and proceed to connect the copper bars to the MCCB. The red bar is phase 3, the blue bar is phase 2, and the yellow bar is phase 1, connected in order from left to right. Connection points must be tightened firmly to avoid arcing when the load is operating. Next, let's connect the wires to the RCBO and the outlet. We use the blue wire as the neutral wire for the RCBO. Then we supply phase wire to our CBO. Here I take yellow wire and green wire and red wire, phase 1 wire and phase 2 wire, and phase 3 wire. Must divide the load correctly to balance the phase, avoid phase deviation. Next, drill holes to attach the mica sheet to cover the copper bar to avoid danger. So the electrical cabinet connection is done. If you find the video interesting, please give me one like and one subscription. Thank you all.